declutter. As part of consistently clearing my house from stuff I no longer need, today I'm taking care of those vintage photographic slides. The obvious thing to do is to digitalize them, but let me share with you some things I have uncovered in the process. I have checked online to see if companies could do it for me, but the prices I have seen are ridiculous, especially if you compare it to the price of the hardware needed to do it on your own. It may make sense if you are a professional and need a certain quality and resolution. It does not in my case. If you have a scanner, check to see if you have a film or slide scanner attachment. You may already have all the hardware you need for the job. In my case I hadn't. This said, I did try to quickly add some backlighting to my scanner, but the results were really disappointing. Many people have been through the process of digitalizing their own slides and have now a scanner that they no longer need. In other words, there is a lot of hardware that have been used only once laying around and people are ready to get rid of it for just a few bucks. As usual with scanners, a problem is compatibility with Windows. A few years old can mean a slide scanner may not be compatible with the latest version of Windows you are using. This is why, for me, the best choice was to buy a second-hand scanner that does not need a computer in the first place, since it is able to write directly the scanned files to an SD card. Nice. Those family slides have been 10 years in a cupboard, and I have never looked at them. I'm not planning to use any of those prints in professional media prints, on billboards, etc. This is for me purely an archiving jobs to declutter my home, so whatever the resolution, I was fine with it. You may have here different requirements. After that it is just a matter of grinding. And the result. All the slides are gone. And the slide scanner can now also be sold again. Nice.